Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Kassil. This is the first of probably a few late night videos for you explaining our instruction because I will be home with sick kids while you're watching this. So you'll see there's an update to our weekly calendar, 2.6.1 motion vocab, one pager, and the assignments that we were going to do Wednesday have been moved to Thursday. So if I go over and click on modules, put some big ol' arrows on it, hopefully to make it easy to find it. Mrs. Kassil gone, 2.6.1, motion vocab, one pager. So right in here are the instructions. The video will pop up here in a second. And a piece of paper will be handed out to you by our wonderful guest teacher who will be covering for me while I am gone. So here are your instructions. Create a one-pager using the directions on the paper the sub will hand out to you. Click here if you want to download a copy. You don't need to, but some of you might want it. You are each assigned a word. Use the textbook, your wits, the internet, each other, and any other resources you might choose to craft your one-pager. Crafty supplies like colored pencils, markers, crayons, and rulers are in the back of the room to the right of the windows on that little bookshelf that's right underneath the pencil sharpener. Be sure to write Costa's questions as part of your one-pager. These are leveled questions that start simple at level 1, get more in-depth with level 2, and get rich and complicated at level 3. Click here to see the sentence stems. So this document I'll show you in a second. And then tomorrow, Thursday, we'll be presenting these right at the start of class before we get back to our lab. So your one-pager document looks like this. Basically, the front of the page is all the instructions. The back is blank. So do your work on the back. People always want to get their own piece of paper. Just use the back of the paper. So the idea of a one-pager is to use every scrap of space to tell part of the story. So use white unlined paper, title it appropriately with, your vocab word. Use color, fill the page, be purposeful. You can read the rest of this. At the very bottom, it says be sure to include Costa's level 2 or 3 questions. So that links to, and Canvas it links to, this document right here that gives you a couple of prompts relating to what type of question you might ask. So think about what your word is. Think about what else your one-pager includes to choose your question that you'll put in here. By the way, are any of you freaking out because you can see my face and I wear my mask at school all the time? So that is basically that. The rest of your class time today is for working on your one-pager. If you do a good job, it will take at least this class period to make it as detailed and in-depth as it should be. With that, I'll let you all get to work. I'm going to update Canvas right now, in the past when you're watching this, with your word assignments so that that's not in the public YouTube video. And I can't wait to see you guys when I get back. Have a great day. And as always, reach out if you've got any question. Thanks for learning with me. Bye.